Welcome to the third lesson of my Navi tutorial. Today we will be focusing on how to conjugate verbs in the future tense. The text is a dialogue between two people about what they are going to do. But first, there are new vocabulary words that we will need to know to understand this lesson. There are no nouns, however there are two verbs. One of them is omum, which is to know, and the other is terkup, which is to die. The one adverb in the sentence is fitr, which means today. The two interjections are kalt'e, which means hello, and ewangahu, which means goodbye. Well, literally it means ewa be with you. The three particles that you're going to see today are ma, which is used to address someone directly, srak, which is a yes-no question marker, and kefyak, which is an isn't it question marker. Now, on to the text. Kalt'e ma John, kalt'e ma Jane, o e fiter tayaron, o ngal palulukanit tayaron srak, o el palulukanit tayaron, pol ngati yayom srak, o e ke omum. Tafral nga tayerkup kefyak, o e ke omum. Ewangahu, ewangahu. Now, as I said before, we will be focusing on verbs conjugated in the future tense. Now, you see these verbs, right? They've been conjugated in the future tense. But why are they conjugated so strangely? Navi verbs are conjugated with the use of infixes. There are infixes for tenses other than the present tense, which does not have an infix. So the infix for the future tense is I. Now, where does the infix go in the word? There's a rule that applies to all Navi verbs. The tense infix belongs before the vowel in the second to last syllable. This is demonstrated so in tayerkup and tayaron. But what about for one-syllable verbs? Okay, well, that's not a problem, is it? We just put the tense infix before the vowel. That's all. This is demonstrated in yayom. Now it is time to practice what you have just learned along with everything you've learned before. I'll give you 15 seconds to copy this assignment down. Alright, that concludes our assignment. Now, in case you're wondering about the answers to the previous assignment, here they are. Number 1 is, the thanator chases me, I therefore run. Number 2 is, you eat the thanator. And finally, number 3, the human hunts the thanator. The thanator does not chase him. The thanator runs, and the thanator eats him. And this concludes our third lesson for today. Congratulations!